So you say by that not sure about say on so this come say abre try come on so say dika about the Rachel say sector minister works in housing member of parliament for Bantama former deputy chief of staff Atnase on here between komo aban hye bi o de aba fiti na no fiada nam ka say many boss so e social media if I rent ho aban partner ankwankra na waboa mabunu ni Ghana for ade hye omo hia and the rent once anya 1 year na 2 years anya 2 years na 3 years na akoyen sembe but also akotena fie no every day if you run no challenge nti how bebre wo hono ma san hye aban dia baby obi ye nyina ye nti ase enwie ye nti minister ba no de ebe stress obaya man ne say obekire mu akosi o kire mu si wie a that's a bre wo wa or we have the next 45 minutes or kire mu si wie na say bre wo ho a na ye busa ne nsem ba ko mienu miensa bi na fe ye bre sa wo bi ma ya ma wo so akwanya na wo so atime busa no eye ba ko mienu me say mo official pa sa mo akwa ba so rare minister media saba and then the miasi say one jebre say the busy schedule no one on abedi eyen komo so this is the time ani na ye twen ye nim se mutrim papa mo de ba no manwene nyoma ni yi pa ti sa rent ho nsem be na aban de abatese
yo minia omahene the kind of metia wetifo now can be said it's interesting this is my first
time
TV live TV interview. I think so.
Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah, as a obviously as a minister.
Yes.
You know, konya kese ma me das.
That's piece.
Nti said now o kano no Benada. Na ye my panyini abedi atwe ye Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mamadou Baumia opa juma bi huntuma ayefre no National Rental Assistance Scheme ade ana abra na ye 2020 elections no MPP party no your manifesto na di akotina o say nyame ya adom na say ye say nya akonya ni biema ye be say ye de sa jumadi ne beba na de wo ma ni say ewiase ewe enoma miensa na ehia ni papa didi kan ye aduane ebedi atade ebehye na ba bi abeda saa enoma miensa woni bia na se bi onye nipa na enti aban so for a long time Ghana ham so no you can be say our housing deficit enipa dodo ehia dan no edoso sen dan ayewo
enipa dodo ehia dan no ye bro dan ayewo
exactly they say 1.8 million housing units in deficit Ghana say ehia inti ama economics mun e ka say demand and supply imbalance ama some disequilibrium bi aba inti ama landlord no omo tumi cause favor omo because tenants no omo need choice it is all corner say when me die we say e bo say na me de be ma wa apart from a born be at advance say Ghana mra na wo sisia I rent bill no che say wuntimi in charge rent advance for more than 6 months and so no it's an situation final you find yourself in it, then say aban be enforce so amran so we could charge more than 6 a year because say me charge here next aban see there be untimi charge here dipa dodo na ne hia ade to bi be fa chiri na obe hu kukom hu tiaka bi ko be tia be 5 years okra mi ho obi do odi sika si dan so no ese say wotenika ne bia o just can go si fufo nti ama ne kana aide nti aban say the medium to long term plan say ye be fa kwan bi so ne si dan ni bebre na we ntimi si dan ni bebre no ese say ye pe kwan bi so nya se kwan bi so ne bo amanfo a obi a wanya adwuma bi afan say wo sunyane enam ne modern born ne enimde bi o wonti no wanya adwuma wotema nkran Kumasi so to ho doctor nurse teacher and so no yes it for 2 years rent advance bra 1 year rent first can onya to we na ban here na say no e say pe kwan bi so na ye hwese betimi aboa and no na e di bibia aba e no national rent assistance scheme the one say the scheme no say bia okunya dan a na ube scheme no kwa kutua say bia eji 1 year rent advance obitua ma landlord no na wo ankran na o ya gi dan na ma na as tenant no wetua rent no monthly e dey am scheme no na interest ka kra bi da so say be ya scheme no betimi grow na is sustainable it is no
I see. So we know aban afa agency bia or partner or ministry no.
Okay.
To ensure says a gap na da ho ne sa ho kire na wo yeso no. E fa baby e di etiri beto. If you be kwaje 1 year, e bi ne 2 year, e bi ne even the 6 ne kura no ukoka to be family no kura be yas. Nti that is sa gap na aban person of.
Exactly.
And for the qualify for because we want to stuff for Israel. Or no or you set designer wa or multimedia. O can you now body team could say, how do I get into this? Now also come a teacher for a nurse for and a doctor for one quite careful. Now me set designer no. Me so be a me email for you na Ghana security in a buy so be boy na di ni pursue ben e wo ho kwan say on betimi abey part of this big opportunity.
He see a share program as no obia wo ho kwan say otimi apply bi. The hian say obey adwuma. Because I didn't know where the man will be here. It's a 1 year juma. Untimintia. The can say, oh, you're Ghanaian. Oh, yeah, or valid
Ghana card.
Ghana card. Oh, bro, 18 years. Oh, yeah, juma. Beat me at Chess, Bosumino.
I catch you out,
say na woje. A bank. And I say, be a mobile money, you know, also. Beat me at check. Say na woje. No, and only the most important thing. So na me bobo teacher ni ade adon no faton keke but bia uyo wa odwuma kra utimi ba ehia so betimi a certify say sika say na bosomi bia no betimi nya no ntino cheso betimi atua monthly
na me so me di bosia choko market no so kakra so was say
well say ye be o de people nyina ba ye be hwe say sika unya no month say bosia no say ba
me ke ma jiji bosia ke di bank le to ma no mo ni ma wie be de o
ntino say o statement ni ba na
ti me 1005 ye hwehwe a me ma ne be ka 800 iti no ho asem so mo be hwe ho asem aka
be hwe ho asem aka pa because eno chese untimi ntua na the can say ye free bibi affordable renting. United Nations, when it comes to housing, omode and she be able to say, you can't be affordable housing, and I say affordable renting, rental housing. So what they will at least 30% of your income, no, that be called housing. Say be a mortgage now with you, since monthly rent now with you. And you say, yeah, analysis necessary car when you know account no, the bonibe kind of disposable income no. You move 30%, and I say, "What do you?" The Kobasa what did loan in a cabby or honest?
You consider.
Because as I said, Utimitia, because the carry no, and yet free. Say, I buy a sick idea.
Easy a situation out for you, say, Untimintia 1 year, 2 year, no, you just added a month.
Said the obeyance will be to your monthly.
Payment. You piloted and I say all over the regions in Ghana.
Yes, 30, you know. Yeah, East 6 regions I did 30. 6.
Then I call 6 name.
Okay. If it's Ghana, it was this year, no. And you say I buy a budget 30 million. Now 30 million, no. 18 million, and I buy any idea mine is here I did 30. Rent advance issues in so Ghana hano your regions bi o ha eno na emo na di mu akotene pa e o mo asem kase pa Greater Accra, obviously because of Accra. Ashanti region.
Asante Mantem.
Because of Kumasi. Western region, because of Secondary Takrade. Eastern region, because of Koforidua. Bono East region.
Because of specific. Bono East,
Techiman. Rent issues, yeah, big issues. So, and Tamale. So 6 regions, northern region. So 6 regions, and a year they starting. We are hoping say year a buying this can be by the count. Na yetim so several other
Minister, no me kwabna santi na mehu dan ewo Chantai anase abokobi anase ahojo anase soutum anase awrowa anase borga me na mehu me dan ti me na me identify dan no na mo makoka ho asema me anase me de ma sembe 2 agents na nima se me pe 2 bedroom me pe baby a eben ebia madwuma multimedia anti mo agency na be kwa hwe na mo aka se kowe ana me na be kwa hwe na maka agency o me which is which
there be agency no wo enye wadwuma so ba kwa hwe dan mo bi because dan a me pe no ebia enye no na agency no
ebe de be ma
nti wa na akwa hwe dan na wa nso so okudi ano nti nso kudi ano ne se
Ghana fo bi ni mu kudi ano a ye smart o oni fieru an kra won sa ban de bem san e fieru afo bi mu so ye corrupt cameraman oni fieru an be kwa akohyehe ho nti ade kra e be bia e be 40 cities miza wo na open movement was 70 cities
so ne one obitua
wa otuama fieru an bi obekwaje nso ho na e wo ho no na odi akoya de fufuro ye a bit you
no but the thing say
we are the one obitua se wo bukura wa obu
exactly sanity entina very important say oji a monthly bia no betua a month ni so ne say when to mentua ehihye wo ho a we make sure bit metua nya say dey agise bia
ti wa bokwa ko pedan no
wa ko pedan
na muni firo na kokasa na motua
woni ne kasa ona an be kasa na ma agree on the price and the rent advance duration say be 6 months or 1 year na o apply na say hwe on kratam bibia na say qualifier na you discount ama landlord.
Okay, in this case no me da so ne landlord no contract and an agency na take over that contract between me and landlord no say there be assemble me ko agency and me ko landlord which is which it is shame no me na ko pay fee
rent advance na dey rent advance no
agency ne landlord no
but the basic tenant landlord you need there so omo
di yeje bola sika yeje ye proper ni musika no we be koso atua
no I need
feel anasem
exactly
any ye wa behind that no but the basic one is a dan kan de ye tua
sanity
nti ntumu ba if you be wa fa na afi o say me page am free abia 450 be dey call 520 sa ntumu ni nyina no e be affect me ana
eno ne ye say ekoba se mo nyina mo gitum so say ntumu e ba there eno de the scheme will come in but you say your rent control rent control in a first relationship between
tenant and landlord
nti bibia ba say rent control will deal with the matter but as long as there's an understanding say ntumu e ba no there the scheme will take care of it. So
okay, so I feel no joining our main say Minister Asenso-Boakye works in housing and energy chain komo. Ni nyina fa ban ni hihye shrunku bi odi aban na obeboa ma rent ho nsensem kwan bi su no wo so wase but ye won hihye da ho a mo amopese mo ye part of it no obi to say Ghana ni bia de dikan wo qualify by qualification the next step they say wo Ghana card e dia does so get the other step they say enkrata do ba be gu pono so say wo pese wo kwaji 2 bedroom 3 bedroom that will be dependent on krata wo dia ba no omo hwe mu fan wi na wo ankasa wako choose baby apese wo fa wo dan no anase baby apese wo kotena whether wo petra sako area ho ana wo Chantai ana wo pe Nima ana wo pe Awrowa ana wo pe Hefa Ejesu estate baby a wo pe bia no wo choose wi a wo na afi omo abam na omuni firo na be yen hwehwe na omotu ya ma na afi busu bibia do so no omotu kakra kopem se brano so no se insachira ibi so ba eye odan kanimu a there's a firo ni pijemu a omo besa ba back brown na ya agreement na sa tip was we no ma be the necessary adjustments na ebia na o asem busa ba community me se bia kwanya na beto ma me san kai obiem se nye regions nyina na minister se ekoso njo hwe o se western region wako Ashanti region wako Greater Accra region wako Eastern region and wako Bono East region and wasako pure northern region isa mia maku nsia we no ana wono air ase the same thing say sikaya na aban de fem wo no na 30 million but aban en many mia no 18 million na wanya say mo fan hye dwumadi na say with the hope say they are can baba enti question is yen hwe yie ne yanko take advantage and no me kan we kuti say so eba ni see no we enye de okoji momu ni bia no awe chip no na sika na omde fem no emergency ayi no so for Israel wan wase mu nyina mo ka ho ye fem musika no na wo wie no wasa awe o chip no na wato atwene and when nyina moama ka na monte moama man koso ni o man puntu o wie pesa na man keten we dishonesty obi buaw say o behind diamond also pekwan bi so etime beat system no na eno no officer you smart na say o smart ya wa na wa smarting because uwi a wo ye den ya obetua ana omo so omo hwe nkrata mu no omo ni sebi na nchen o pampi because omo so chefa so omo nkuntebu ombebu no omo be say yes no ko ye je it's a good opportunity but don't try to abuse na means throw in this caution detractors for system BM ebe kan ni se amanfo ebe ya calculation aka say jubo ensia ga na omo boa na nya ade bia eba ga na bia ya na ekutia no iti dia no be sore so sa ebe wi echi na hwihwan na esi form but at least let us make a move go a dying home komo pa the problems are young men and women a dying home some problems that they bring man for enormous. So let's take advantage and be truthful and honest, very transparent with this great opportunity one way or the other. Ebia now questions back with deeper enum then your friend we are anybody able call outside we don't have to politicize every situation in this country. This is a housing matter. 0302 211 701 equals 4. 0302 211 701 equals 4. Minister back. Agency na ejina oyentem jina for ene wo ni abaya. Say agency no wa bin was ejuma we mo betimi ejina brand say ejuma kesi me na meye ejuma mo ye no ana.
Ejuma mo ye no ye free agency no rent masters.
Okay, rent masters.
Masters. Na Ghana ni company. Now, for the past 4 to 5 years, on my side, he's been in that business for the past. But
been chawano. Mesa ba mo atwa arrangement. Suhum for yabo mache same mache.
Me jo sumi ni o man here commerçante.
Yo.
Na boko there.
Wadar ma boko.
Anope ma prepose amount. Me san previous war but was the account the amount. Chane say ne boss so chiano anabo bra champion oso obo pa Asenso nyina ni pe bia wonyina na ona bra champion na tike won nti won so nim die no bukurapi na omayene mesre o ka say ye nyu kwa CSA program na Asenso ana se president e de ba no nipa me pese me de fa wo so na ka o kuma mi so obaye eye yan ye nua okuje to abra kwa ene sami jamfi
Debbie wadaruma omo ho kwan se bibi tochiw e wo hwehwe ni mu a woni timi kire wona dwe the fact say person be kan je
mo se kana ye won comfort wo mahimu a bibi abebe bia nyi
Debbie wadaruma besrew bibiri Desmond marching apom ti say Good. You too, Desmond.
Program here, Benefodia Bani are very good. But many are now see 2 new regions in Inchi. A map may be a regions, a die boy papa. In fact, Kumasan Kai a high populous no crano, Obasa Hios was here, a die bono, a ma Ujis council, so scanning do baby, a diet bamano, direct control. There pan or Moyafa, a die bono, Kasankasa.
Okay.
Secondly, we bet mad on 9,000. That is not paying any tax to the government. See, that avenue na individual, every die any business, somebody that you know. How is the government going to tax them? Because those people are the people who have been crying for a sense of electricity, water, and road infrastructure. But they are taking the money into the packet, putting the burden on the government. What are they doing about it?
Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, yeah, that's it. Minister, was it new regions? No, regions a dime bono corner, rent controls. I say, I actually will get to me now. A warm I say, Omojeja, Omohama, Fira, for no, Debiada, Omoto, be a cockaswa, Caswa, Mamma Caswa for China Menchia, Minia, also General Mezo. Alaja Pom to say,
Patch on me here, or mine. Good,
Alaja, you,
Baba Kumpa or Caswa.
Yet you,
the Akonja, which are me honorable. Thank you. About it. A perfect idea. But number three, say, yeah, party ma. To say, I'm going to be binna say, Koya. Almost say, I'm going to inform, but a kutia young qualms so your grounds no. Program beyond the Babia, a say, almost say, a Timamfono and Omuyama, and yes, a political talk. So, Babeka, what the project number, by no white was there, fair. So, implementation will become the problem. So, sure, I didn't do who you are, especially. Work and housing, any affordable houses now, Omuyeno. Obekwa, baby, my yes, affordable houses, no, but I could see saying, wow, program on my hand. And then the problem, let me a party back. Make a suffer Gomais. And don't have Japan Boba Kumpa Gomais. That be a young 24, Biano, young Quintia, and make sure say, yes, no grassroots, a baby, make sure say, a big court today. Low persons almost so much, but some of the affordable houses, but I be boy you here for no. Almost tattoo her, and we, one could touch her, and we, what could touch you? Now, with another problem, I become one. How sure say, Yamudi Bano, and no crab could you fire?
Okay, a very good one, and out there, but also a Ghana project. Oh, Bompire say, we'll soon call 9-day wonder. Then could you not sentimentum, Kumasi? Akwasi Mache. Hello.
Hello. Good morning.
Morning.
Am I in the chamu? Somebody. Obi ahoya there.
Oh, nyame ade obi ahoya.
Ye de radiate. A good policy. Na Ghana samuna na ye ka na akowie se. O ka akosi se. Ye me hu ni se Ghana se ye obi dia, ya na ehwasem ekana.
Okay.
Nti de mi metuma kana say carbon materials na ni bo kosoro cement bo 200 cedis and these iron rods boy dey no. And then ya affordable na ni individual bia wunya quarter plot kra no bitmenda wo da bi esisua. Na ya dey abort memufo.
Okay.
Obia unkotino obi fie na obi abejojo ebekwa kodu bebi no efiewura no o say I don't know or dey 500 Ghana. Also, who crowds as a 500 Ghana and who go to ya? What put you on the crown at the 500 Ghana 3 more? Yeah. Better than what my better say materials, you know, in ya, but from some policies were there, policy were there, or my now can say the buyer, yes, no policy record and a poor police crowd, and your crowd, which are crack of us also.
Okay. Yeah, but also a yes, also can say, where did you? I know it was your change because I know you could say, give an iron rods in the cement to bone and raffle. It's saying near cano. Ubia did not drink a Badwam, the intimate poison and now seeing it. And the most important thing. Young corner, in this uncle, you match it. Upon to say, hello, match upon to say, but all cats are free.
Let's look, Marty.
Okay, yet you.
The meet my car is down. If you love one, I'll go hard.
Omohaya pa police amande go afan no. Ye nya ba adwuma no. Ye police ne ka hu bia na.
Aha. Okay, ye nya ba adwuma no. Sa hihia amande ba ye ka hu bia na. Ojo bezo omo. Ye da se ye fa frefo mi nu nya fe. Ye bra back to student minister entimi iya no kakra. Amos Martin. Yeah, Amos. Lots of your text messages is so, but Odinoho Kwekwa Pia, Richmond, Martin.
Yeah.
Hello, Richmond.
Yes, sir.
I'll show it to you.
Yo, Mr. Mekasafi, my brother Penny, the Kankasa, and Mr. Media, maybe other policies, central region, income, not at the same time, no.
Pacho, ultimate man, so Kakama, because Okasa Tratoyante.
Oh, okay, me say. Other policies in the central region income because we share the rent rate in the central region was
okay.
A higher year, papa.
Okay.
And I'm a miss maybe, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, that's it. MCNBC and yeah, but back making kind of few text messages. Those are my privilege or money, the personal number, or money after so bremeno. Or they know Kwapia, Coca. Also, good morning, Kwabna. A very good opportunity for the politicians. Now we can direct those who are always asking us for loan to rent accommodation to go and see rent masters. They be chairman. I can responsibilities. The Osio Minister, Asenso-Boakye, or Cook Osio.
Sure.
Another one also says that this is a national project, and let's give thanks to the MPP administration and the sector minister. My fear is that Ghanaians will abuse this great opportunity. I know that abuse, no, it will be difficult because I keep asking. It will be Minister Tanasia, Mishru for the abuse, no. Minister Ian or say, good morning. Please ask Minister for us. We, the people of New Abrim and is it Afusu or in Eastern Region, can't pay the rent here. Single room, 350 Ghana City. Eastern Region, Kamoshe. Eastern region, regions now.
The Koforidia, to based in the
it should be in Koforidia. Okay, all right. Okay, lots of your text messages. Maybe call one friend now, minister back then. So call us, no. There be Kaipa, no. Why Central Region is left out? Central Region, Omoja Central Region, everything.
Yeah, and now can see that's Richmond.
So we say, I'm never back. We are there. Na me ye mimi dia fi bo na anyway je iti mu gina dia so because me busai
me busama o busama ma you was 16 regions
okay
and I ye mu 6
okay
sika na e wo sisia no ye sika bit me cover the whole country nti basa na you have to prioritize
so in prioritizing e dia ni nyina so e bia wo ba sentiment e so nipa down pressure o
so maka we can kadada
okay
say this first 6 and the topmost regions that are with serious issues
about rent
exactly. So rent control for them data from starting from Greater Accra, Hana assembling Nigeria, Accra in Tama, Kumasi, Tekendi Takrade, Koforidia, Techima, and Tamale. Intina, sa criteria ni use ya the select.
We should raise issues about creation of new regions.
Yes, new regions. New regions create rent issues. Which is understandable because human bebre abaho, offices bebre are created or public servants and other workers. I understand, and we know BNI say Basse. Can be
you consider those new regions
exactly.
Obinsu ne how backward by say rent control for. I no muntimi hwema cement ne iron rods emma form na ono na dwene no say rent control they in charge.
No.
In fact,
the Okan cement no
rent control for okay yeah
na or can say the prices no ekosoro na dey na rent control for rent control no enyo madwuma ne say omo determine the price of a in fact the new bill cry dey ban e be say between rent control the tenant and the landlord no you heard what you call chargeable rent they reasonable but the crew woman say a dime boy it's an economic reason. You are talking about building materials. The building materials do na if you are on neighbor. Even cement in a chroma and crown. The biggest component of cement
a crafty
abuchi. Iron rods do na if abuchi. A free time of COVID by a bepimne. International shipping cost a cost room over 100%. No can be a dime ball. So, into no ye ministry, I never could identify and say, the person might dime walk of former. As a set, ye pecoin be so need develop our own local building material. The dear building material is bit me issue. Bend breaks are a Ghana. Ye the clean so boo a Ghana.
There be a
I didn't see down young for bend breaks any. Kwabna you see how ko told and said Ben brace I obey. I
believe as a TTB
and so no the papa so what the Ben brace see there e condition kra bia o hia no o de ade ba kwa and say you see asase e bohu da ro ma Ghana for atiase anya interest room because you see how the private sector be ba let's be invest in local building materials which is Ben bricks here. Because you and I no ye dey interest wo mtin ye ntiase nti no ye nkoto no nyeska nti I started the education be minister ma ba pro akoba bi e be embrace na mini ministry of education for akasa said dan so that people will develop the interest in it ship compounds mini ministry of health for akasa so mo dan no musisi no mo fa ben breaks in here eso won fa so be brave. Once we are able to do that then we can invite private sector companies to invest in. Because who invest here now produce more, and now wait me the prices now. But economists say that your average cost will come down when you do mass production. But you see, Ghana for any GD among person no basic dainty. Ubi obey invest beer or Ben brace and local building materials beer. Worker. So nobody will want to show interest. Until the end, I say so you taste. You develop the taste for local building materials. Yes, I did. They be no. You know, money you kwa for Frabuche and Aba. And also so you so brave. You know, nyina asempa. Obi fair no ka say ya na ye programs basia ya na ibi me political talk. But do implementation na akoye. Sa program we say ye dey built-in control measures be abema program no on a scheme no is sustainable. The can no
nyama mo dia hihye no
the can ma catch you say esotia monthly went to more rent masters for na you mo nhihye wo ho under the scheme you be too afraid them the toss me no sikana abande aba no rent masters na dey man no so fanye say jibadi. Yeah, I mean, encourage masters as some economic kind of cause number.
Yeah.
And almost also no, aji bank guarantee every banko. Say, sikano, oboye ne basa bank no, every 2 years kana abai. The bank no so no ayo mo hye any rent masters.
Oh, kwan bi so
rent masters into
be. Ofa emfa.
Any one years kana kwa na ade ejuma. So, into no yes, but before share now ya tina say a planning. When you the regular scheme be a microfinance be a buying be no media bar, you dey teach am for muntu no. We there it is a revolving fund. The demand now to ya na the amount another person. No so to ya na another na e kosa. Na kakra. Na utia so a interest kakra e wo.
E wo so.
Rent masters, ejuma we say they've been doing it for 4 years. as a private company in 2 regions. But the difference is that rent masters, no, because it's a private company using their own resources, no, and the motive is to make profits. This one, the motive of government is not to make profit, but to support Ghanaians. And you know, interest rates for rent masters, no, is about 25%. Directly. But under this program,
the buying intervention they are from
12%.
Oh, 12.
Back drastically.
But I could deal with them directly. Like 25%.
Yes.
The buying intervention is now beginning at
12%. And our buying intervention also are able to reach a lot of people. So that's what we are hoping to say. A grower, let's say, can become one. We create a private company, makes me a domestic issue. Because there you get some margins. So, it's a good program. Then someone also spoke about affordable housing projects. In fact, a small kind, so the real issue is for government to invest in affordable housing projects. But unfortunately, affordable housing projects are buying over the years in Ghana. And could we say the NSC? Now,
Debbie,
if you say power country or Ghana about housing and affordable housing, there are no structures. You see, I say, you need agency be in charge of housing development in this country.
There's no agency.
No. Yeah, now you know at the ministry level. Ministry today, your job is to develop the policy.
Now,
now you monitor and evaluate the policy to make sure it works. But there's no housing implementing agency. To me, by one of the things that I may say, being a Ghana Housing Authority, whose sole responsibility is to plan and manage housing development in this country. Now, sir, housing authority no, more housing, say a project here, because a project we say, if I no, that's saying say the shame. Nipa say you better amount, nipa better amount, obenyeska, omusika say a saying, into dying type of ben yes Look at what happened in Saglemi. If we had a housing agency, housing authority implementing agency, or be making sure so all these feasibility studies are done before government commits money to it. Until I've started that movement. You see, I make say there is a bill before cabinet approval, parliament. Now parliament also a housing authority that will have the power and the mandate to develop housing in this country. But even that, a non-crown you can't start to be that.
Okay.
I expect put a program together in our ministry. We call it Revived Housing Development. You 200-acre land. Interchange, interchange on your right. There's a vast plot of land, 200 acres. You housing development. Out of that, you are going to get 8,000 housing units, affordable housing units for Ghanaians. And also another site, 200 acres given to us by Anana Santihin Otunfo.
Okay.
82. And so for another 4,000 housing units. And you know there are plans now. Well, I say for the last year or 2 years, but government is committed to find money to implement that project.
Minister, there 2-3 questions because every year now. I dey back I mean who say what can say me the kind of inferior for mo no be dealing. If you have to be one with you. Me nim say mo hihye mu no. Mo be register or mo say o person say rental agency ni adwuma because the rental agency so enyinya some measures be almost should be cut inferior for binom to size. Means omo inferior for ni bi one omti. She be say go akwa.
E dey ahomete say na work.
Oh, inferior for him every second omo to omo inferior.
So no dey I catch you say any scheme no. Any scheme.
But madam, some mo ba say mo ase mo be boy ho ban ho because mo jai say
scheme no dey when there is for rent advance support.
It move faster.
But rent control and yes,
there's all rent controls almost
because of the situation we find ourselves. But you see, I make us say rent act a year no Ghana Hano. I check. There's 60 years ni. A trim. And no one will be happy now. I'm
60 years. And that's your operating with it.
You see, I make us say since I assume office, you have taken the necessary steps to revise the Rent Act. There's a bill before Parliament now. Parliament ban next week. Mujidi said one of the main activities on the need me pass a bill no. But the society be because 60 years they no be happy. Yeah, urbanization, population growth, you know, this housing deficit. Am I if for bomb home modern parent control, more bomb home modern. In fact, me buy come office cry basa. They say I started program I person digitalize or more operations no. So the be the issue case no quite na we cry. We are doing something about it.
Okay, so Minister, we are Nisa. Mwashe program na si mo pa want me Adom. Your contact numbers be on online be one as a
yes program no person your contact obefre. There are several about 4 phone numbers.
Okay.
And our website and so.
Okay.
You can actually apply it on the website.
Okay.
Okay. Website here www.nras.gov.gh.
Okay.
www.nras.gov.gh.
Okay.
That's Ghana.
Okay.
And our more phone numbers and so.
Okay.
0551 341 515 and 0550 408 879 and 0209 089 388 and the last one here is 0209 089 790.
Mr. Adom,
okay. The kind 0551 341 515 and 0550 408 879 and 0209 089 388 and the last one here 0209 089 790.
Okay.
Our numbers with the over free biana.
The and of course James Henson the Abase registration fee 100 cedis. 100 cedis.
Yes. Registration fee 100 cedis.
Oko register
yes
for the scheme now.
Yes.
Okay.
It helps to offset some administrative costs and also to make sure say obia or person okono we serious about it.
Okay. Or say yes there or seresenka munche make na enye 50.
And now I call radio Asempa. Now I'm for express concern about it.
Oh, okay. Omodi can express that concern.
Yeah.
What you will consider?
Well, so this committee in handle all these issues. Okay. You know, we will put it before them. Say, are they possible or why not? One thing that people should understand: this is a new program, and when you start implementing any new program, when you feedback. You encounter implementation challenges. Then you learn from it and you use that opportunity to improve upon the program.
Okay.
And you know, all these suggestions and ideas and contributions, you know, we are not going to take them for granted. We are going to use that to improve upon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mr. Asenso-Boakye, we did Adom said this year anyone about a issue back. And my observer ministry sanitation kayewo brand shown to musi nanka gata mutitie ne odo no mutitie no last mutu anamo fantastic anamo I'm sure it me any movement
ministry adwuma no
ministry adwuma wada ba when my monitor odo na monitor na mu say mo hwehwe
odo de aye adwuma wo
what to more pa
odo de aye adwuma pa there's a lot of money in so but unfortunately senka sabi senke as ahubasemu ye di ehuni a kasa ne woni ehuni a nkema abra ubu se obi bola pa
wa
no akoto aya enso ni ton so a esa na enya baabi mfa na eyi fine enya no nko ene Ghana ha baabi a enso ma ni kwansi esidan na mafo ko sisidan enye this one there I blame the district assemblies and the planning officers and the
say we dey oka obi enye na nim as mo ana mo fom mbre o tifie o hwe wenye wanim o so anu atam ball na kotum
adwen
that's the problem
say nsuo bebe next week me be share share talk akra
what because another no so me so consensus egumi phone so nsuo towi and covers be a
hey me
yes me can say every day be picture
adwen and ba say me am MPC di matema so
ko jina hono na otwatwa fo yina ye be discuss we kosi say it was horrible
very horrible enti me feel say nyo ne bebra ya ye ka Ghana no bibia no ye say aban that's the problem and aban so yes say obe take action on certain things so
akoya de foforo
na akoya de
aban attachment to aban so for Israel
what about you
option na say aban take this bia no attempt no vote no please be say ko ba wala let's fit this in mind na Accra odo no de hwehwan free on mind before asika kese be ba me etimesi ne de na afi kuma se ne miamia bi na strangely nso timtwifa miamia bi no mo hena mo clear
na ewe hia mo so because fine daubo
okay
ene o ma hene ma me mo abaso because anytime bia no mutie wa enoma eni kwanse Ghana for ye
eno na omo ye
eno na oye ade ebe ye ama Ghana tumpon na de bia
24 Ghana sell
entino obo mo hu
that's it thank you so much e dey see onyame adbechina papa no de be court no akwasi sia ba betina se na wati be dire juma kama wan se onyame adman na chike be chance base e wa se libya e be face the squarely no problem why e ko